We already discussed that ROV normally is in use at the operational depth which is unreachable for man, or where there is no need to send a man for operations. For example, for video observation, it's better to use ROV. Generally, IMCA distinguish in their ROV best practice guidance 5 main classes of ROV. Class number 1 is a pure observational vehicle. Class number 2, the observational vehicle with the payload function when additional place at the frame is available for additional equipment like beacon or light. Class number 3 is the most sophisticated. This is the work class, where at least one manipulator or one remotely operated tool available on ROV. Class number 4, ROV which cannot swim with the mean of thrusters, and that one is known as a bottom crawling ROV. Class number 5 is prototype developed vehicles which are prepared for specific project by request and may be based on already known type of ROV. And also there is one more type of robots which is called as AUV, Autonomous Underwater Vehicle, which is not connected with umbilical to the vessel and which operated through the acoustic channel and used in industry for survey operations in areas where survey vessel cannot make the coverage with the streamers of area for shooting. Now I recommend you to watch the example about work of ROV pilot, and here we go.
Something fishy is going on. At Freya's, 2 remotely operated vehicles are working 1,000 feet below the surface. At least, they're trying to. The fish are attracted by the ROV's lights.
Yeah, it's a big problem.
With limited visibility, ROV pilots Jan Freste and Martin Lerdal must be careful not to tangle within each other's tethers.
We don't have the view we love to have because we cannot see what we do so good, so we have to be quite careful what we're doing.
Okay, ROV, if you want to get set up under instruction.
The ROVs are agile undersea vehicles, but the tethers that act as their lifelines are only twice as thick as a garden hose. The tether delivers electric and hydraulic power to the ROV, turning on its lights, driving its thrusters, and enabling the pilots to operate its arms. In return, the tether delivers high-definition video to the pilots in the ROV control room on board the ship.
We're going over your tether instead. It's easier.
Jan is the pilot of the ROV code named C6.
We will supply them with communication.
Martin is piloting C5.
I was crossing C5's tether, so I have to go and clear my tether so I don't come in conflict later in the operation.
That skinny yellow-green cable is the other sub's life support.
You see here is the tether for C5, and we have to go on the right side again, so we don't get in conflict.
One false move, and it's literally lights out.